Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, we will be continuing with the strings in Java. So strings in Java is a very important concept and you would be asked the Java interview questions related to string topics. So it is very essential that you learn these concepts as well as in today's video, we will cover few of the methods that are useful in string. So these methods would be useful when you are given any kind of programming interview questions or you should know such kind of basic concepts. So we will be seeing in this video about equal ignore case, converting to lowercase, converting to uppercase, right? So what each and every method will do that we will see first theoretically, and then we will also see in the IDE. And before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. So what we will do is, uh, first we will take up a method of equal ignore case, right? It compares another string. So it will compare two strings at one time, right? And it does not checks the case. What does case mean? So case sensitivity, uppercase, lowercase. So those things will not be checked here. Then low to lowercase and to uppercase. So as the name suggests itself, it will return a string in lowercase or it will return a string in the uppercase. Concatenation. So it will concatenate the specified string, right? Replace. So it will replace all the occurrences of the specified char value. So now let me open IDE and I'll showcase you all these things one by one. Okay, so these are strings that would be using in this particular program. Let's say S1 is automation, S2 is again automation, but here you can see the difference. Only A is in uppercase, other characters are in lowercase. Right, so let me first write S1 dot equal ignore case S2. And whenever you are comparing the string, you will get output in the terms of Boolean values. It is true or it is false, right? In second case, we are not ignoring the case sensitivity, right? And in the third, let me write S3. Okay, so now let me run this program and let us see the output. Right, so the output that we are getting is true, false, false. So why we are getting true here? Because we are ignoring the case sensitivity between S1 and S2. So S1, everything is in capital. S2, apart from the first, rest of the letters are in lowercase, right? So it is ignoring the case sensitivity, hence it has given the output as true. Here, S1 dot equals S2, right? So here it is false because we are not ignoring the case sensitivity. Here it is in lowercase, everything is in uppercase here. And the last one, yes, it's a false because the two strings are different itself, right? So that's about equal ignore case and the equals. So two cases, two methods we have seen. Now let us go to the third method. So third method, let us see about trim. So what would trim do? So let me introduce some space before and after in this particular string. So now let me write S3 dot trim. So what does trim do? So it will remove the white space before and after the string, right? So you see before and after it has removed. It will not remove any white space between the string. So that is also important to know, right? It removes the white space. Now let us use concatenate method. So what will concatenate do? It will join S1 dot concatenate. Yeah, concate another string. Let's take S3 itself. Okay, now let me run this program. So it will give you automation, RD automation, right? The concatenation does not removes the white space and it keeps white space as it is, right? This is about concatenation. Now, next, let us take about lowercase and uppercase. So S1 dot to lowercase. Right? So it will convert the string into the lowercase letters. Done. Now, let's take S2 into uppercase. Let us run this program. Okay, so it converted everything to uppercase, right? So that's what lowercase does. That's what we saw in this video. Lowercase, uppercase, concatenation, trim, then equal, equal, ignore case. Now let us cover one more method. I think we covered replace. Yeah, replace character old, character new. Okay, so let me share my screen. S1 dot. We have to replace old character and we have to replace it with new character. So let us take old character as I and we need to replace it with J. So what we are getting output as S1 dot replace wherever we have I, it would be replaced with J. So let me put it in the capital itself. Right. So earlier what we did is we put small I. So it is not present itself, right? So it cannot replaced. But if you put capital I, it is present. So it would be replaced with the new character. So that's what the replace will do, right? So this was a small video on different string methods that you can utilize in your programming interview questions or when you are creating or when you are designing any program, when you're writing any program. So you can also use this particular methods, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.